The value added comes in several aspects, and I think that the institution has the capacity to bring the private sector together. I see three main reasons why this value added is very important. First, because it can provide evidence and bring stakeholders together to push for structural reforms. The private sector needs to lobby from these structural reforms that need to happen in the Middle East. Second, because you are also in the north of the Mediterranean, that means that you can be catalyzers of interactions between the private sector in the north and in the south. And third, because Barcelona, I think, is an excellent place that can really serve as a hub for investment, dialogue, and knowledge exchange. Well, the World Bank, I would say, can support in several ways. First of all, we have a finance portfolio with the governments. We can work in more coordination with the project that are currently being supported by the institution. We can also coordinate at the country level. We have offices and hubs of the World Bank and the IFC in almost each country of the region, and we could have these interactions at the country level. It's very important to get this first-hand experience with practitioners there. And the third is knowledge creation. I mean, the World Bank has also an analytical agenda. It's trying to collect evidence and try to see what are the constraints for private sector development. These messages can pass, and maybe our analysis and your mechanisms for dissemination can really complement each other. Basically, to assure funding, I think right now IFIs would require to really have evidence about programs that work. Most SMEs programs in the region, and there are several ongoing, lack of evaluation. So we don't know if they are successful or not. So I think it's very important for us as donors and in a way to know what programs work, to be able to scale them up. So engaging in an agenda of not only setting up programs, but also having careful monitoring and evaluation of the success of these programs would be key to bring investors, not only IFIs, but private investors, into contributing to the development and scale up of such programs.